The timing couldn't be more perfect because in my last video, I had mentioned Bead Box Bargains and how they have a monthly subscription called Bargain Bead Box. So they have two sites, one for their beads and all the different things that they sell. And then if you are a subscriber to the Bead Box, that is known as the Bargain Bead Box. And you get a package every month. And I'm showing you everything that came in the package today except for the 30% off code because that's mine and you have to be a subscriber in order to use it. So without further ado, this month's theme is Here Comes the Sun. Spring is dawning and this month's palette captures the oranges, pinks, and yellows of the morning light. Pink Aventurine is the star with a beautiful shaded bead strand, faceted focal length, and rondelle beads. Accents include red agate, yellow opal, and quartz, with cubic zirconia studded sun motifs, sparkling crystals, and gold finish findings. And what's really cool is when you design with the items that come in the box, you can join their Facebook page, or you can also do it by emailing a picture of the things you make, and you could win a $50 gift certificate. So that's pretty awesome. And of course, they also do a lot of stuff on YouTube that you can follow along, tutorials, and they're just starting to kind of do more like educational content about beads and gemstones and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. Ready. I am just loving what I see so far. I want to kind of push everything up here and we'll just go through it. No particular order. We'll start off. These are sun cylinder spacers and they retail for $2.99. You get 20 pieces. So let me get my little trays. And we will go ahead and dump them in. And I love that they give you findings and stuff to use just in case you don't have any in your collection. But those are pretty cool. There's little, oh, you can see little sunshines on there. Can you see those? That is cool. And that's in the gold metal. Like that. Next we have 4 pieces of 18mm sunburst chandelier links. These also retail for $2.99. Oh, and you can connect like your beads down here. And I have stuff on my hand. Yuck. And that's like a little sunburst. How cool. I like the detail on that. And I like that you get a whole bunch that you can use. Earrings. I can definitely see those being used as earrings. So there's those. This is an 18 karat gold plated brass and cubic zirconia sun pendant, which retails for $7.99. Oh my goodness. I like the detailing on this with the little cubic zirconia. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. That's going to be a pretty necklace. I can see it with like dainty little beads because that is just like a really elegant looking pendant. And then you get 100 pieces of 3.2mm round spacer beads. That's pretty generous. And that's just your normal little spacer bead. Really nice coloring. There, let's see, what else do we got? Ooh, this is 2 pieces of 14mm 18 karat gold plated stainless steel sun charms that retail for $3.99. And you get 2 of those, and I'm just going to show you the front and the back. So this is the front, and you can see the detailing on that, and then that's the back, which is nice and smooth. Those are cute. Kind of feel like earrings with those as well. We have got 2 pieces of 20mm 18 karat gold plated brass with cubic zirconia sun pendants. Retails for $6.99. Oh, those are pretty too. I love that. Gorgeous. I don't really have a lot of gold jewelry myself, but I'm finding that I'm really enjoying a lot of the gold findings and accents on certain things. So I'm excited to start using that a little bit more. This is 2 pieces of 7mm brass magnetic clasp. Ooh, I love these. Okay, so I use these on my bracelets a lot. And you can see that they're magnetic, and these ones have ooh, those are strong. So that's really going to hold in place and won't, as they go together. It will not fall off your wrist easily. Some magnetic clasps are not all that great, but those are nice. Then we've got 1 meter of 3.5 by 2.5 stainless steel curb jewelry chain in the gold, which retails for $4.99. That's a nice chain. Definitely going to be used for a necklace, maybe even you could use pieces of this to do like a charm, like earring, where you hook the jump rings in between the links. That's a possibility. I'm really into that right now. So there's that. And we'll put that guy up here. So those are all of your findings. I've got a couple more charms, but for the most part, these are all your findings that come in the box. Let's see what else we got. These are pretty, and I love the color. So this is 2 pieces of 16 by 10mm faceted glass and brass round links that retails for $3.99. And look at the sparkle. Oh yes, beautiful. I'm a sucker for the sparkle. I really like that saying. I think I'm going to start using it a lot more. Those are gorgeous. And it's like a really pretty pink type color, pinkish peach, peachy pink, which way you prefer to say it. And then I think this is the last pendant. It is a 38 by 22mm Pink Aventurine and brass faceted Baroque oval link. That is a mouthful, and it retails for $5.99, and this is really pretty. Look at that. Choker, maybe? A choker necklace? That's pretty. I love this. All right, let's get into the beads because that is my bread and butter. And I'm going to start with these right here because they caught my eye really fast. These are 8 by 5mm Pink Aventurine rondelle beads, and they give you a 7-inch strand for $5.99. And that color, if I can show it to you, the strands are not participating. Look how pretty. Very earth. This is why I just love the earth tones, because they're so soft. And those are just really pretty and smooth. Gorgeous. We'll just leave that right there, Mr. I don't want to bend. All right, next we have 5.5mm crystal faceted English cut crackled round beads in light topaz AB coating, 7-inch strand for $3.99. Another mouthful. I'm surprised I didn't screw that one up. Those are really, really pretty. I love that color. Now this is kind of more of an orange. And I've been getting into the orange lately, as you've seen in my couple of videos back where I made those earrings. Those are really pretty. I wonder like what the colors, like the color trends are for this year for spring, because I don't know, like I just feel like I gravitate towards the same kind of colors that are coming out all over the place. Does anyone know? If you know what the color trends are going to be for the spring this year, like Easter, May, June. Well, June's kind of summer to us down here in Alabama, but let me know because I am curious. Those are so pretty. These are 6mm crystal faceted cube beads in magma with an AB coating, 10-inch strand for $4.99. And that is stunning. I love the fire. So pretty. I don't know why I didn't just use that one. We'll use it on the next one. All right. Next, oh, I missed some findings. You get 2 of these 6 by 3.8mm 18 karat gold plated brass rondelle tube bails for your necklace. I don't know if you can see those. They're just little guys. Little tiny bails. But that's perfect because a lot of these items are delicate and I think are meant for like smaller beads and just a delicate look. So, but we'll see, because I see some fat boys in here, and that would be this strand right here. These are 8mm shaded pink aventurine beads, 15-inch strand that retails for $11.99. And look at those colors. You know, that really reminds me of those rondelle beads that I used for my earrings. We could be making a matching set. Those are really pretty. I love these colors. Very nice. I'll put this guy over here. Next, we have 8mm faceted red agate, which has been dyed and or heated, round beads on a 7-inch strand for $4.99. Some nice deep oranges, some light creamy oranges, just a bunch of different shades to work with, and they have like a texture on them, so it will give some texture to your pieces when you're making them. Love that. Move over. And then we've got 4mm crystal faceted bicone beads in white champagne on 11-inch strand, and it retails for $3.99. Sometimes I cannot get into these bags fast enough. Those are really delicate and pretty and sparkly. Love them. Put that there. I'm gonna run out of trays soon. This is yellow opal tumbled nugget beads on a 7-inch strand, which retails for $6.99. And I like these because this is another earthy kind of tone. Look at those. Gorgeous. And then we've got, 8mm mixed quartz round beads on a 7.5-inch strand that retails for $3.99. And those are so pretty. Nice pale colors with pinks, a little bit of a purple, some peaches and some whites. Those are really pretty. Get in there. I don't know how you guys feel about this so far, but I am just loving this color palette. Definitely very springy. And Easter's just around the corner, so I'm going to keep that in mind when I am designing. I need to figure out what I'm even going to wear for Easter. Next we have, oh, these are cool, 6 pieces of 14 by 6 millimeter red aventurine bicone beads that retail for $3.99. And even though they're really not like red, these are more orange to me, so, but I do see little flecks in there, so maybe that's where the red comes from. I'm not quite sure, but they definitely look orange to me. Especially this one. This one's white, but very pretty. I like those. I like everything. I have a hard time not saying that. I like this. I like that. And last but not least, we've got 10 pieces of 16 by 12 millimeter glass faceted polygon beads in champagne, which retails for $1.99. Ooh, those are nice. They have like a little goldish coating on there that give it a shimmer. I love that. And I like how they're just different. It's not smooth. It's like a chunky bead, but it's really nice and subtle. Very pretty. I love that shimmer on there. Gorgeous. They also supply you with a list of everything. The estimated retail value for this shipment was $99.79, and you are getting this box essentially for $25. That's amazing. You guys, I'm going to put the link for the Bargain Bead Box in the description below, and there's going to be a link that you click on and it will take you right to, you have to sign up. I think you have to sign up to get this month's box by the 9th, I believe, of the month. And if you don't do it by then you'll be in line for the next month's box. But I will put a code on there and I will get a little something something for my credit account, and I would really appreciate that, of course, only if you want it. But you get all of this, and it's such a great deal, and it's so pretty. I have not been disappointed each month. Everything has been gorgeous. Thank you for joining me today at the bead table to go through this wonderful box. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you sign up for it because it's definitely worth it. And I will see you in the next one, where I believe I'm going to use some of this stuff to design something special. So I will see you then. Bye, y'all.